Hello everyone. I hope you hear me well. Let's see. Hello Hannah, hello. Let me turn off the music. Okay, so hello. I hope you're doing really well. And today we're gonna talk about, like always, about market condition, what I and my team what we're planning to do, what we're expecting from the market, etc. So today we're gonna talk, as always, about cryptocurrency, about Forex market, about indexes, etc. Yeah. So first of all, let's talk about BTC, what happened on last week, and what we expect from the future. Let's talk about this chart. As I was saying, this is BTC. What we had on the past week, we had this trading range. So we have liquidity. Okay. Hello, Enrique. So this is TAs that I did for BTC. As you can see, we had manipulation on the bottom, we had manipulation on the top. We have two deviations, and now it's distribution down to this fair value gap and this order block. Currently, right now, we're just testing this fair value gap, on higher time frames. Yeah, this one, and we'll see reaction out of this fair value gap. Yeah, it's we have this. Oh, I need to resubscribe. I'll do it after stream. So as you can see, we took internal liquidity. We took high for by $8.2 or something like this, and now we're going to test this fair value gap. That's a BTC. BTC can stuck in this range for next 2-3 weeks. I don't mind about it. Also, as you can notice, you can notice that I changed my watch list a bit. So I added Solana, Link, Matic, Rune, FTM, Mime, AVAX, or BTM on my watch list, on the first row of my watch list. Why did I do it? It's because if we go and open CoinGecko, you can see. Okay, let me change language so you can see it. Where can I change language? Yeah, here. So what we can see, coin with it's 24 hours volume, and oh well, IMX. Let me see. Okay. So everything that above 1 billion, such as Solana, in 24 hours volume, go on the list. Chain links, AVAX, Matic, OP, what else? Mime, FTM, and Rune. It's very technical coins. So right now, we're more focusing on checking coins. You don't need to look at anything else, because look at this. So we had this trade with pump, and then because it's not technical, we just drop. We just failed this range. We just failed this level. Okay, so and all this kind of stuff. Yes, like some of these like coins such as IGX, like Ocean, etc. They can just like pump. 1 second, let me mute Pavel. He just like spamming me. Disable sound. Okay, so like we don't have like volume, so we cannot like trade basically, right? Because so it will be like more scammy, like less like technical. Like if we look at the OP, like extremely technical. We're like right now in a dealing range. This is like our range. We can just range and we're moving it. Let me see. Towers. Candle with volume. No, probably here. I'll put it like right here. It should be fine. So like more likely we had like again deviations, we had a test, and this spin bar, and we're going like up higher. We also have break of market structure, have a market structure, market shift, right? We tested this like fair value gap. We can go like on 1 hour. Yeah, it's been tested. Yeah, like this. And as you can see, we've been consolidating, and we just like broke this like trend line. So it's like perfect setup basically. We'll see how this will play out, but more likely we will go to this like equal highs, and they will be taken. So try to find like trades like this, and it will help you a lot, because the thing is, when you, for example, remember I told you like about like volume, right? Volume is good, but look at this. So we have almost like 1 billion volume on this coin, right? Now look at this. I wouldn't even like bother to trade it. Let's go like 4 hours. Like price action is trash. It's trash. I probably did TA on this coin, but this look nice, man. Yeah, 100% gain, but this trade been long, like almost like 50 days, like Jesus Christ. Yeah, so it's like it was a long time ago, almost like 2 months. Anyway, so as you can see, like with this price action, like we pumping and dumping like anytime. So it's not that clean as like you can open OP and you have like clear picture, right? Same like on AVAX, same like on like Solana as well. Like look at Solana for example. We just like tested 0.5 zone, just like touched it and pumped, right? So it's like extremely clean. Okay. So if you want to have like notifications, like and see our trades, you can like join our Discord group. Like, and you can find like some calls here, etc., etc. So all this kind of stuff. And we also have like trading chat where we can communicate. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and like during the stream, so like more people will be able to find our stream. Next we're going to talk about like Forex market. Forex, like especially Dixie. Dixie like in a in a downtrend. Let's like look on what we see like on the weekly. So we're back in the range right now. We had deviation From the bottom we have variation on the top of this range. So like first target is gonna be like this, like order block on the daily, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, we have order block on the daily. We came to this fair value gap. So what we can see here, we can see like a small pullback, and then we might keep going like lower. But for now what I wanna see, like I wanna see like weekly open and Monday open, and we'll see how it play out like with the euro, because euro almost came like to like our high. It's still like in uptrend, but we have like huge like fair value gaps. So we see like this enormous like 2% candle, and probably it will be tested anyway. So like in my opinion, better to just like wait and see how like week will be open, because right now we in like point of like high time frames, right? So always like mark like some important zones, especially like weekly low, like weekly highs, as always, right? As always. So this is gonna be like our weekly high. Yeah, this is gonna be like our weekly high. Weekly low is like obviously this candle. This candle. Now, what I wanna see like on the DXY, like so maybe some like reverse pattern, such as we've been seeing like here, like three drive pattern, like three tops and ups. So we have like one low, one more, and one more with like breaking market structure, and then we'll go higher to fill this fair value gap on like 3 days or on a weekly time frame, probably, to maybe at least this order block, and we'll probably have breaker here on lower time frame. And also, if you remember, last week on Sunday I said like right here, look at this like price action and price action when we dropped like last time, right? Like it was similar price action, so almost the same. More likely we will slowly going down slowly, but we have to like pay attention on this level that we have right now. Otherwise, because more likely in this zone we will have like pullback. If we don't have pullback, so like for example we will start to grow right away, and we won't take a previous weekly low, right? More likely we will keep going lower. So as always, like pay attention how weekly will open and how they will open. Next we're going to like check euro. It's basically similar. It's like completely opposite from DXY. So we have like this important external liquidity. Right now we took all internal liquidity, by the way, like just keep it in mind. We took like all internal liquidity, which is like this one, right? And what can happen, we can just like turn around here without like taking this high to test this like fair value gaps that been left here. Let me see it on like on 4 hours. It's more likely on 6 and 12 hours we have like this huge like fair value gaps. But again, look how good the price action is right now. We have like deviations around 1, 2, and on the third it was like expansion. So it's a classic AMD when we have accumulation, manipulation, and then we have distribution, right? So it was like classic play, and you have to pay attention on it. Like we have a couple trades here specifically. What is this? Okay. By the way, just right now we had like a call with like from like our like new analysis. You can just check it out. It's like call on Luna Classic. It's like has like really good like price action. So just have a look in our Discord channel. 1 second. Mm-hmm, 1 second, please, guys. Okay. Hello, Pavel. By the way, hello. Did you miss me? Oh my god. Such a shy guy. Fuck, I lost my stream link. 1 sec. Okay, so okay, now so as I was saying, you really completely mirrors. You have to like watch on like weekly open. What can happen? We can just go to this high and take this high and like reverse, but I still expect us like to keep going. But again, I will be looking at DXY and the euro. Now, cherry on the top. It's like Nasdaq and like S&P 500, such as like Dow as well. So we took internal liquidity on like on Dixie here, S&P 500. We filled this like fair water gap on like 4 hours, and we also came into like this order block right now on the like futures, right? Okay, so we came here. We still have huge amount of like fair water gaps on the weekly time frame, so it's like important gaps, and they have to be filled. If you look at like history, all fair water gaps were filled. Every fair water gaps were filled. So it's so it's like very important to pay attention on such things. Also, Nasdaq like took liquidity from like these highs, right? We still have like some highs that has to be taken. This high from this from April, like all-time high, but again, price should be like rebalanced. If we're talking about like smart money, like the gaps should be filled. If we're talking about like classic TA, for example, we broke this trend line. In a classic TA, we have to have the correction and test, and then we're going to go higher, right? So like pay attention on it. In my expectation, like in our expectation as well, we like took major liquidity here. Maybe we will have like one more pump to take like this previous weekly high, right? That's this market. So November, Friday, yeah. So what we have here, we have this this range on like previous week. It's like Monday low, like Monday high. What can happen? Like easily can happen. So we have like this zone, and we have a huge amount of this of the fair water gaps. Also, price should like rebalance through discount market, which is 0.5 Fibonacci zone. So, and like main fair order gap, like literally here. I don't think like we will go like straight up. Like even like like economy situation right now is not in volume up, please. Shut the fuck up. 1, 2, 3 should be better. Hello, Roman. Hello. So we have like two zones. First zone is like this like previous weekly high. If we have a growth that previous weekly high will be taken, I will be consider something like short positions to like maybe it's like some swing short position to fill this like favorable gap. If like we will slowly go, we'll go down like slowly. Let's say this is gonna be like our like price action, right? Like this, slowly we're going down, and then like this. Ideal, it's like ideal scenarios that we might have. Then I will be considering like stay like out of the market, or maybe like some scalping like inside the day. But we'll see how it will play out, because for now as always I have to wait like market will open. I just like marking like some zones like for myself that like I have interest in, and based on the zone I will look at some like positions, because I cannot tell you like exactly where we're going. So yes, we have some context like from high time frames that can help us to identify next moment, like where we're going exactly. But it cannot give you like exact like trade without like context like from like new week, especially like weekly open, daily open, like New York midnight, etc. Because all those like times time marks like are important. So something like this. So like pay attention on the zones and how it will play out, right? So this one and this one. Also, don't forget about correlation between BTC S&P 500. So S&P 500, you have to also mark some zones. What the fuck is this? Okay, fuck. So to renew my subscription. That's right. So it took like major liquidity. We also have like a double top on the S&P 500. Let me see on Nasdaq. Nasdaq we don't have it, as you can see. No, actually we have it. No, we don't have it. So this, by the way, can be diversions, right? Hello, Josh. Hello. There you go. SMT divergence. On Nasdaq and S&P. So Nasdaq will fall down if it's like real SMT divergence. Nasdaq will fall. But I would like to see something like this. I would like to see something like this. If not, I have to like look like closely how it will open, etc. Also, don't forget we like in a trade on Nvidia. currently. Right, let me see. Oh my god, Pepe long, Jesus. Guys are going crazy. So we like in short on 490. All right, so we're in a short position. We're in a short position on Nvidia with a target around like here, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So, and as you can see, it just goes like a normal reaction. We have a break of market structure right here, and now we're just going like slowly to fill this fair water gap. By the way, like notice like very important. Notice how this like imbalance field, right? How this imbalance field. I will mark it for you. Notice that like in this imbalance, all candles bodies inside of this imbalance, so we can just ignore this like this shadow of the candle. We can just ignore it. All like bodies, like it's just accumulation here. So more likely we will open like with a gap lower. Also, keep in mind on next week, on Tuesday, we have like earnings report. So you can do like two things. Like first of all, you can exit the trade. So like Monday will open. Market will open and we will go lower. And we just take profit, like doesn't matter when. Or you can just wait like for earnings on a Tuesday. It's yeah, so you can just like wait till so you can, on the first option, you can just keep this trade like for 2 more days till like at the end of the and close it at the end of Tuesday. That depends on like whatever it goes. Or you can just gamble on earnings and keep the trade open, or maybe like some part of it. But I wouldn't recommend it because Nvidia can just like go up and down like 10, 20, 30%. So imagine like you put like 0.1% risk on this specific trade, like small position, and you just like it just like, for example, you betting it like going up, right? And it just went down till like this fair water gap, 26%. So they have like bad report, 26% going down. So instead you just have to calculate risk depending on expectations that it can like drop like 25-30%. It can do this because we have plenty of liquidity and we have zone. I also have like zone higher, right? On Nvidia, like we have all this zone is like target for Nvidia because we have this all-time high, and it can just like easily go like 30%, and this is what happened right here. It went up like 25%, and it's it just can't be it can doesn't doesn't obligate it's not obligated to have like any limit. So like the share, it can go up, because if you go on a monthly, like, right, it's been going up all the time. It's just small correction and keep going up. Can it have like correction till like this zone on a monthly? Yes. it's possible we can have a correction to this like fair value gap and test this like break here in mitigation block, so like this, and keep going up higher, like on the global time frame. Yes, it can happen. Why not? It can't go up higher. We'll see how it will open. Solana, by the way, we've been talking. OP, we've been talking about OP. Look at AVAX as well. By the way, like we opened like some trades and we're not posting them in Discord. First of all, because we want give like some trades like for us. It's because we have free Discord, and also we want to show you that we have like some trades that we are posting and doing on our copy trading that we not that we don't share with other people, right? Because it's like higher win rate trades. It's like what kind of trades we're gonna do and share when or if we have like private group, right? Because right now we're sharing our profits and our trades with you guys, but as you can understand, we high trades we keep for ourselves. We just give you good trades, also that we open on copy trading, but for paid group and for ourselves, we're trying to select the best of the best. But we should, it's like few trades. For example, like we shared like a P trade, which is really good. Solana, we didn't share it, but rest of the trades, why not? Anyway, gold. Gold. Let's go like up, down, right? What we have, let's start from monthly. We have huge order blocks that have been tested. So we have test here. So on high time frames, I expect us to go higher. So this is like on high time frames, right? This is a high time frame. Okay. Weekly expectation, weekly. This is gold. Monthly. We will go higher to take equal highs at trim. No, it's 2074, right? So it's the first one. Then we're going on the weekly. On the weekly, what we can see on the weekly? On the weekly, we can see that we still have very wide gap here. You know what? I don't want to like remove my drawings here. One sec. I will clean this up very quick. Okay, so what we have here, we have this here fair value gap, right? We have here. What I notice, like in a gold, it always tests like these fair value gaps. So let's remove this. Then what I can see also here, nothing. So, but like what I can notice, like we had break of like market shift, which is here. So we're already like in uptrend. Will it test it now, this gap? I don't know. Because on the monthly, on high time frame, we just like tested this order block, right? So it's already considered like from high time frame, so monthly, it's uptrend. So we just tested and close like this. Weekly no, like daily. On daily time frame, we'll see. Let's move this gap. We still have gap. We just like fill this one, test this mitigation block, test this breaker, test this order block. Yeah, we just go to reaction from here. What can happen? We still can go like up higher, right? On a daily, it's still uptrend, so it's uptrend. So like let's say on like all like high time frame, it's like uptrend. We're going on like 4 hours. On 4 hours, what we can see like a correction, right? Because we have this fairway gap that has to be it's tested. Okay, let's go like on 1 hour. Yeah, so what we can have here, like the downtrend. Also gold loves to go like in ranges, so yeah, it should be like 2 hours. Okay, this gap, right? We also have breaker here, right here. Okay. It can just happen something like this and we'll go up higher, but I have to like look at, because we have also plenty of liquidity right here, right? We have plenty of liquidity here, and this liquidity can be taken. And previous daily high, because we still have uptrend. You see how clean this is, by the way. Have like market shift, and it's not important that it can just ignore like discount market, right? So in this case, you see with this 0.25 zone or 0.3 zone, and just when go like up high, just moving our like Fibonacci retracement, and you can notice that here we tested like discount market. So moving, and we're looking at the movement at this level. What could happen? I just can easily like test this discount market and test this breaker as well, right? So we can test like this breaker, this one. Right, we can just easily test this breaker and we'll go like higher. So I wouldn't like short like anything here, anything. It was because we still have uptrend on like all high time frames. We have liquidity here. What I would have waited, just maybe open like some long position here, stop under this low and target this high, like this. Otherwise, like it was something like this. It's a small swing trade. Small swing trade. Like, why not? I don't know. Like I still expect it to go higher because it's uptrend. We also have like this like small deviation. What can happen? We go in here, we have like uptrend, and we start like in consolidation for like some time. Okay, so something like this. If you have like any questions, feel free to ask. For now, we checked everything. So if you have like any questions, feel free to ask. I will be here like for 1 more minute, and then we'll end the stream. Like, you have to understand that yes, like we can have like a lot of liquidity, we have like trend line, etc, right? So like classic TA, we have like this like, trend line, and we like it can have like trend line like for a long time. Look at this. Like, are you gonna short it? Like, no way. Let's look at like 4 hours, right? If we're talking like, if we look at a global like movement, like this global movement, are we like in discount market or it's a premium market? It's already like enough on like uptrend. It can test this like 0.5 fib, but we have break of market structure. So this was market shift, this one already, and we tested it. So it's like clean uptrend. I wouldn't short here like anything. It's like super clean price action. But again, you have to like look how it will play out. Like, yeah, this like trade looks good right now, but I don't know what will happen on Monday. It looks like really good, but Monday can give like more picture. Anyway, thank you for watching, and have a nice trading week. If you want to join our community, you can find link below in the description. We have like we're sharing our trades and crypto, forex, stock market. We also have like some trading community where we're chatting with the guys, etc, etc. So we also have like some memes. So if you want to like hang out and just like watch some interesting stuff, feel free to join. It's like completely free, you don't need to pay anything. Yeah, see you guys, bye.